Hey guys, Carl with MarineMax Panama City Beach here. Today I've got the privilege of showing you the 2024 Grady-White 350'S Canyon. What I feel is the best boat in its class, and it's not even close. This is going to be in your blue color. We've got the triple 350'S from Yamaha on the back. Let's take a peek at it, see what we got. Starting in the back of the boat here, I'm going to say it again. Triple 350 Yamaha, so 1,050 horsepower powering this 33-foot Grady. So plenty of horsepower, and with the new 350s from Yamaha, that makes it really, really cool to have on this new boat. The 336 does offer you all the comfort features starting in the Canyon line, one being the chilled fish box. That's on a thermostat, so you can adjust the temperature how you like, but eliminates the need for ice. Rear seating up and down if you want it, for fishing days down. Of course, if you want to entertain, bring some more bodies on board, put it up, very easy. Behind the helm, you've got a live well to your starboard side, and here on the port side, you are looking at a second live well as well. So plenty of space for baits, and you can, of course, switch those up and separate them if you like. Storage, rod holders, the usual, but plenty of space here in the rear if you're a fisherman, in what I think is probably one of the best fishing boats that you'll ever step foot on in the 336. At the helm, of course, your joystick feature. You've got the new Yamaha controls, push button start. This boat is equipped with a bow thruster and then your autopilot. Grady does not put the electronics on this boat for you. That is a plus. You get to pick what you want, whether it be Simrad, Garmin, Raymarine, and so on. You can outfit it the way that you want to use it, the way that you fish, and what's best for you. Moving forward, we're going to go sneak peek here into the cabin. Plenty of space. You can stand up and move around. AC downstairs here as well. As well as the helm, you'll have AC downstairs and at the helm, which is another one of your big comfort features. And then moving up front here, large front pad here, lounge. You got the bow filler cushion if you'd like it to make this an entire bow a nice laying out area to enjoy the sun. And of course, you got storage underneath both starboard and port side seating. Insulated boxes that will hold ice if you need it. Hopefully you catch that much fish where you need it, but you do got the fish box in the back, and then you got helm seating forward facing as well. You can't get over the ride here. You can't get over, something you have to experience is getting it on the water, see what it can do for you, and what makes Grady-White better than anything else out there in its class, and it's not even close in my opinion. Come see me, my name's Carl. I'm here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. I look forward to showing it to you.